If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on starting and managing your business. LLC registration. How to apply and get approved fast. Are you looking to start your own business and considering forming an LLC? Let's walk through the process to help you apply and get approved quickly. First, understand why forming an LLC can be beneficial. It provides personal liability protection, can offer tax advantages, and is relatively easy to maintain compared to other business structures. To begin, choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's requirements. Make sure it's distinguishable from other registered business names in your state. Next, select a registered agent. This person or business entity will be responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Many choose to hire a professional service for this role to ensure compliance. Now file the necessary formation documents with your state. These are often called articles of organization. You can usually do this online, which speeds up the process. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which varies by state. After filing, create an operating agreement. While not always legally required, it's a crucial document that outlines how your LLC will be managed. It can help prevent disputes among members later on. Obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is necessary for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. Fortunately, applying for an EIN is a quick and free process you can do online. Finally, ensure compliance with any additional state-specific requirements, such as business licenses or permits. These vary depending on your business type and location. By following these steps systematically, you can streamline the LLC registration process and get your business up and running quickly.